And they're up. Vermont draws for your lead. Showmaster running by the rail. Boss Pogi rushing a party outside. Don Ezekiel then running by the rail. Salazam moving up. East Speedy Kim prying eyes. Then running by the rail. Money for Rap alongside Sinagtala. Super elegant fourth last. Running third last. New Golden City Euromax and Sophia's Fury is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the 1,000-meter mark. We have two runners fighting it out for the lead, running on the outside. Don Ezekiel, Showmaster is running by the rail, matching the pace setter, and now catching the lead. Now we have Showmaster in command by half length, running on the outside is 9A, and that's Don Ezekiel. Another 4 lengths back in third is Vermont, running by the rail. Boss Pogi is Speedy Kim, closing in his Money for Rap together with Prying Eyes as they pass the last 600. Don Ezekiel regains the lead. Showmaster drops back in second. Vermont moving a party outside is Speedy Kim, Prying Eyes by the release. Money for Rap, Boss Pogi Sinagtala as they turn to the final 400 meters stretch run of Santa Ana Park. We have Vermont leading the field. Money for Rap, Prying Eyes is on the outside, joining them with the last 200 meters more to run. Prying Eyes, Showmaster in between runners is Money for Rap. We have Prying Eyes, Money for Rap is by the rail. Prying Eyes over Money for Rap, and finally Prying Eyes, Money for Rap. Vermont close with Showmaster and Speedy Kim for your Pentapecta.